Commandment number 8, headphones. Let's go! Okay, check it out. These are bull crap. I don't understand why they invented these headphones. We only have 2 hands and we're short 3 hands. So why do you want to waste one good hand on listening to the cube? It's nonsense. So we're kicking it to the curb. And let's never talk about that again. And now this strange anomaly. What the hell is that? Every time I have to take over from a DJ that uses his headphone like that, I know I'm going to outperform him. Because there's no way you can do this and bring that party to the next level. Oh man. And that's why commandment number 8 is using the correct headphones. In the correct way, of course. And these are the headphones I used for years. The Sony MDR V700s. Man, these were so good. I think I bought 3 or 4 of them. Oh man, memories. And then, after years of searching, after testing all those other brands, I finally found that one headphone, that one king of the headphones, that one king DJ headphone that I was looking for forever. And here it is. The Hercules. Hercules? Yes, the Hercules. The HDP DJ Pro M1001. They don't make them anymore, but these still are the best headphones I ever had. Oh man, and I'm going to tell you all about them. Okay, check it out. When you put them on your head, I'm getting a headache. They don't go anywhere. Other ear, just like that. And you keep it on your head the whole time. This is how you DJ, man. Keep your hands free. Switch ears. The monitor is on that side, no problem. Just switch your ear. Monitor is on that side, no problem. Switch your ear. But yo, what about the cable? Check it out. Mini jack. One ear cup. You want the other one? Take it out. Ta-da! No problem, man. And the drivers, they're freaking loud, man. I think 130 decibels, something like that. Go check online. I'm not gonna check online anymore. But dude, they're loud. And the sound quality, they sound like crap. But that's a good thing. Because what are you listening for when you're DJing? The kick, the snare, and the vocals. You don't care about sound quality. You just want to hear those elements very clearly so you can mix better. All those other brands, they sound way too linear. I don't want my headphones to sound linear. I just want to hear the kick, snare, and vocals very clearly so I don't have to concentrate too much to listen to the track. Okay, so anyway, this is the way you should be using your headphones. Always keep your hands free. That's why it's a headphone. Keep it on your head, not on your neck. It's a headphone. Don't keep it in your hand like this. No, it's a headphone. Keep it on your head like this. Don't buy the ones with 2 cables or some fancy crap. Keep it simple. This is the way to go. A big sturdy headphone like that, as loud as possible, kick, snare, vocals, no fussing, no fighting, no concentrating, just a good headphone. And if you're a real rock star, you can bling it out just like me. Because yo, we need some shine in our life, right? So that's it. Commandment number 8, headphones. Don't be late, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.